You're here by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because it's a walking distance from my house.
Okay, fair enough. Well, that works too. Oh, okay, I won't give you a hard time. This guy's way bigger than me. What's your name?
Steven.
Steven, how you doing?
Good.
Family here?
Yeah.
Aw. Give him a cheer. You love me or you love Steven? She loves me, that's it. Oh, the taller guy. Well, that's just about everybody here. Yeah, see, here's another tall guy. What's your name, sir?
Terrence Benoli.
All right, Terrence, you got some fans, friends, family here?
Yeah, up there on top.
Wow! Yeah, I think I can see them way up there, right there. All right, strategy for today?
Eat as much as I can.
That's a great strategy. All right, what's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon, how you doing?
I'm good.
You got friends and family here?
Just my girlfriend.
Just your girlfriend?
Yeah.
You shouldn't throw her away like that. Just my girlfriend. Brandon, how old are you?
22.
Okay, Brandon, I'm going to teach you a little lesson. You don't, just my girlfriend. No, you go. Yeah, my girlfriend. Yeah, try that. We'll try this again. Okay, take two. Brandon, you got any friends, family here?
Yeah, my girlfriend.
Yeah, he's working on it. Where's girlfriend? Say hi. She's like, yeah, get out of there, dude. All right, what's your name, sir?
Matt.
Matt, how you doing?
Sweaty.
Sweaty? Is it from Brandon or? Okay. Wait a minute. Who's the one that owes me money? Okay. Anyway, friends, family here?
Right here.
Right here. You want to say hi to him?
Hi.
Are you shy?
No.
Okay. I'm thinking you look like you're the biggest guy on stage. You think this is going to be an advantage or disadvantage for you?
Disadvantage because I just got done eating.
Well, that has nothing to do with being the biggest guy on stage. Good luck. You just got to eat. You're in a pizza eating contest. What's your name, sir?
Matthew.
Matthew. Friends, family here?
Yeah, I got my girlfriend and her brother right there.
Brandon, did you notice that? How he just owned it? Yeah, I got my girlfriend and brother right.
Ready to do this?
Ready to do this? All right. Well, then I'll stop jaw-jacking here and we'll get on. Whoa! Yeah! There is a lady here. I'm coming back to you. You don't go anywhere. What's your name, sir? Not that I want to spend some time with the lady. What's your name?
Dayton.
Say it again.
Dayton.
Dayton. Friends, family here?
My husband and my brother.
Oh, my husband. Okay. My bad. Sorry. Okay, well, good luck to you. What's your name?
Albertson.
Albertson. Have you got friends, family here?
Yes, my wife and my kids.
Where they at? Where they at?
Right there.
All right. Folks, make some noise for all of our contestants. I'll stop messing around because I know you want to watch them eat. And now remember, 7 minutes is the time to beat from the last round. Otherwise, okay, 6 feet.
Take your shirt off, Matt.
Oh, so the time is a secret. Laugh with me, folks. We're going to start eating in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it just me or did that guy grab like half the pizza and go, pizza?
Straight beast mode, that thing is like. I am the Pizzatron 2000. I will eat it all. All of it. All the pizza. Cody, I am your pizza. No, it's not true. I wanted Supreme and I got you. Search the Force and you'll know it's true. No. Cut off my arm now or what?
Can we just get this on with? All right. Oh, sweetie, you don't have to cover your mouth. It's okay. You can be a pig. This is one contest where it's over. You don't have to worry.
Yeah, today is the day to just go ahead and eat. There's a reason there's not napkins up here. But there are people out in that audience and they love hearing you cheer. So come on. Let them know you're here.
There you go. Eat, 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 eat. his technique. He tilts his head back.
Just kind of let it slide down.
That works.
It is, anything to beat that time is 7 minutes too. Even though we can't tell them, they're still gotta eat that pizza pretty quick.
We know the time and you don't.
Eat the pizza.
Wow.
Come on, guys, eat that pizza. Eat it, eat it, eat it. See somebody already slowing down. It's not good. Keep going.
Come on, you can do this.
Wow.
I'm on the lips, like I'm on the
Crowd out there, right? There's some crowd. They're making noise for him.
I think we should take the 2 best times from the last 2 rounds and have a eat off.
I love that idea, actually. Beginning to eat 2 pizzas, last 2.
Wait a minute, I just had a great idea. We timed how long it took to go down. What if we time how long it takes? Okay, all right.
I don't know. Not good.
I'll go on timeout.
Timeout, Jamie. Timeout. There it is. Chant for him. Let him know that you're here. Because, man, I'll tell you, I've done these kinds of eating contests before. They're not easy. And Papa John's got the best crust ever. And but sometimes you start to eat that and it starting to slow down a little bit. So what are we looking at here? 3 slices, 3 slices, 2 slices. Can't tell slices. We're almost a half a pizza here. 3 slices, almost a half a pizza here. 2 slices, 3 slices, 3 slices. So not bad. They're doing pretty good. Oh man, I want to see what time we're at, even though we're not going to say. I just want to see. Ooh, okay. We're still doing all right, Jamie.
I want to see how much time we're at.
Come on, George, you can do this.
They're actually doing pretty good on the time, but it's because you guys are making that noise. Again, this is a spectator sport. Think about it. If you make a bunch of noise for them, they're going to share their winnings with you later. So again, it's great to see the strategies. It's great to see the strategies, Jamie. Some of the guys are like tipping their head back, eating 2 at a time. Some are doing a drink, bite, drink, bite, drink, bite. It's kind of interesting. Would you have a strategy?
I love Papa John's pizza. It would just be in.
Gone, devoured.
Yep, just like that.
They should have given us 2 pizzas to try out against each other. Can we do that on Monday?
I get paid in pizza.
Sweet. We're getting paid?
No, I'm getting... Yeah, that would look great. Walk to the bank. Yeah, I'm here to pay my mortgage. They would look at me like,
Is it from Papa John's? Okay, we'll take that.
all right. Well, you're going to need more than a pizza.
How are we looking at now, guys? Where's our leader?
We're down to about half. We got half a pizza here. The lady on stage has half a pizza left? The quiet thunder down there? Miss Oh No, I'm going to cover my mouth because food's coming out. And she's a newlywed. Okay, hubby, are you watching this? This is your wife in action, man. And she's doing great.
He's proud. He's proud. Look at that smile. He's proud. So again, where's our leader at? Let's see what we're looking at. Like, okay, about a half a pizza here, about a little over half, 2 slices, 3 slices. I have a leader right here. This is our leader for sure. Pretty close here, half pizza. Ooh, this guy's even closer. We're looking at 6 slices here, half a pizza, half a pizza. They're doing pretty good. But this guy right here, he's gonna start slowing down here real soon. He's got 3 on his board and 1 in his mouth. Come on, guys, make some noise for him. Keep him eating, keep him eating. Oh, Jamie, this whole event, dude, I have just been so hungry. I'm ready.
I'm looking back there to see if there's any extra pizzas because I'm going to snag one. There is extra pizzas. Good. I know it's half for dinner at my... Hey, folks, don't forget the Electric Light Parade downtown Farmington tonight. You are cordially invited for that. We're going to be playing Simon Says at about 4:30 down by the other stage. for the 3 paddle boards that we have to give away. So lots of fun still to come as a part of the Freedom Day celebration, and you are cordially invited. Right?
Right.
Right. All right.
Yeah.
Come on, Jordan, you can do it.
Come on, guys. Anybody can do it out there. It's anybody's game still. Seriously. He might be a little bit ahead of you, but not that far. Come on, eat, boys, eat.
I don't know about this guy here.
Now, he just came for the free pizza.
Oh, okay, right on. Whatever works. Dude, you got pizza for a week now.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That guy, though, I don't know. I got faith.
Okay. Maybe there's a strategy. Maybe he goes into vacuum cleaner mode.
Yep, he's just waiting to turn it on.
Inhale it. Do it, son. Do it.
Oh, look, there he goes. He's getting another one. Oh,
Come on, Jordan.
I'm gonna get a time check here, because I'm just morbidly curious.
I think we might have a winner in this bunch if they finish their pizzas. Eat up, boys. Come on.
And ladies.
And lady, of course.
Well, she just gave you the look.
Got the look, man. Have you got that look yet? Yeah, I just got it.
Yeah, he knows. Yeah, we're married. Oh, I just got the look. Easy.
Well, it's like, if looks could kill, you know, those would be AK-47s.
Oh, come on, I've got 9 kids. If looks could kill, I'd be dead already.
Yeah, a long time ago.
That would have happened a long time ago. All right. Since I've already forgotten how much time we have left, we just have to watch.
Come on, Jordan.
We're getting down there. We got a little less than half. Still got 3/4 of a pizza here, man.
You can do this.
Down to 2 slices and 1 in the hand. Quarter.
Come on, son.
We've been talking about you being at a half a pizza for the last hour. What are you doing down here? I'm drinking water. I have to stay hydrated. I know, I'm walking away. Notice I'm walking quickly.
We are getting real close, though. Real close. Close enough. Yeah, how close are we? Close enough. We're close enough that we should make some noise for him because, again, we're at about a half here. Half here. 3 slices. Half here. 2 slices, 1 in his hand. 3 slices, 1 in his hand. 4 slices, 1 in his hand. 3 slices, 1 in his hand. Look at you. Now she's doubling up, Jamie. I think she heard you. Now she's doubling up. Then we got 3 with 1 in his hand. They are super close. This is anybody's game still. Seriously. Yeah, except for that guy right there.
I'm cheering you on, son. Come on.
He just wants to take that home later. There we go. Taking up 2 slices at a time. That's a good strategy. Tipping ahead. Look, okay, last 2. He just put them in his mouth. Hold it up and take it home, man. You're good. No, keep eating it. Again, this is absolutely spectator sport. And one more time, we are down to the last 2 slices, and he's doubling up. Come on, man. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
You're close to that, son. You can do this.
I was going to say, it is literally anybody's game still. Yeah, except for this guy. Well, but we're not talking about him, though. That's fine. Maybe he'll come through the last, 60 seconds or something, just plow through that whole thing. You never know. That's what it is. That's a strategy, exactly. No more groceries. Is that time? That's time! That's time! So, that's our closest guy right here. Let's give them all a round of applause, though. They did a great job. But I guess because nobody finished, that means the last guy, Eli, where are you at? Where did he go? There he is. Guess what, dude? Come here. Come here. This is our winner. Right here. Well, we were going to do some big grand reveal, but none of these guys finished their pizzas. They just get to take it home. Make sure to share with everybody out there. Again, Eli, how does that feel, man?
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad, right? So now you're going to go home and eat a lot of pizza, right?
Yeah.
I bet you can. You want to give a shout out to anybody out there? No. Let's just give him a round of applause. Well done. Jamie, what a contest, man.
It was an amazing strategy. Way to go, Eli. He's got his pizzas. Join us for folks for Simon Says here at 4:30. We're gonna have some fun.
Would you tell me where I made my mistake? Sugar, sugar, would